Hi, I'm Jen Fidel, the Pack Mom, here to make your life easier as a pet parent. Today we're talking about dog bath games and how this can make your life so much easier when giving a very resistant dog to take a bath. So do your dogs like taking baths? Chico hates it. In fact, we adopted him 2 years ago, and his first bath involved leering, showing of teeth, and growling, and lots of growling. So the way that we have avoided this problem, and he's on the road to being a better dog to wash, is with the use of lots and lots of treats. So Chico gets literally a jackpot of treats every time the bath water gets turned on. And with this system, we are on the road to a better dog being washed. All right, so Chico. And Chico doesn't care if his dog treats are wet or dry. He'll go after them just the same. So while he's getting his treats, I am wetting him down. Now, don't get me wrong. He's not very happy about this, but he's much better than he was before. So he's wet. He's ready to go as he's chewing his treats. He doesn't even realize I'm pouring soap all over him. And he's getting a good old-fashioned scrubbing. Now, Abe, on the other hand, my other dog, he loves a bath. He loves being groomed and getting clean. He feels so much better afterwards. But he likes to have a toy in the tub. And, of course, a few treats. So after Chico's all finished, we'll finish up with a few more treats. Here, Cheek. Here, Cheek. Chico was a good boy. Now, the secret to a good bath is just knowing what your dog likes and doesn't like. If your dog loves treats, use treats. If your dog loves toys, bring on the toys. If you have a dog that's really hard to please, try something really good, like a fun toy covered in peanut butter, or a bully stick, or some kind of long-term chew that will keep him occupied the entire time he's in the bath. And I guarantee you, life in the bathhouse will be so much easier. Chico hates being dried. He hates towels touching his body. He'd rather roll all over the carpet and get his dog hair everywhere. So to prevent that, I throw towels all around my house and all of his favorite spots to roll, and Chico dries himself off on his own with towels all over the floor. Whatever works and whatever's going to get you through your dog bath safely, easily, and with a bit of fun. I'm Jen Fidel. Thanks for watching. Today we're talking about dog bath games. Take care.